Hello, how do you analyze stocks for position trading using long uptrend line swing trading strategy? Part 2. We are analyzing our stocks, and the next one we analyze is BKNG. So BKNG, we are going to buy at this long uptrend line that we color on purple, but right now is higher up. Is this trend line ended, and you know a trend line ended when you are having lower lows. You see this low is lower than this one, and this one is lower than this one. When you are having lows below the trend line you trace, that trend line ended. So this trend line ended and the stocks is going down, but still far from where we like to buy. B.L.K. We like to buy at this line, but right now it's still higher up. This trend line ended, but it's still higher up. The next one is BRO. We purchased BRO last year and we have not sold it yet. We purchased BRO on this trend line, and the price went down, created some lower lows, but seems to be going up here as this low is higher than this one. Yesterday the price went up. We have a green bar, but it's still low. BX. So BS, we like to buy at this line. Right now is higher up. This trend line ended, or now this could just be temporary or even a zone, because those lines are not just a tiny line, they are more like a zone. But I like it better when stocks are not below it or not too far from it up. But yeah, I can say that this trend line ended and a new one is creating, or pretty much this one trying to continue after it pulled below it, but it's still higher up compared to where we like to enter. The next one is KC. So KC, we like to buy at this line, and right now is below it, and we don't know if it's going to this again one or not, but this low is higher than this one, but we'll keep observing it. So now that the stock is at the trend line, that one of the two that we like to buy at, we'll just keep paying attention to what is doing there until we start seeing higher lows, and we'll want to see few more to just make sure it's going down for the ended, is getting ready to start going up, so that we do not buy it too early. The next one is CAT. So we have three purple lines there that we like to enter at any one of those. This trend line ended, is creating lower lows, but we have a higher lows here. So there is an uptrend line there, but it's still far from where we like to enter. CBRE. So CBRE, we like to buy here, but right now is higher up. Yesterday the price went up. CL. CL, we traded in 2024 on this trend line. That trend line ended, is going down, but still far from the trend line we like to buy at. We are having a short uptrend line here. CMG. CMG, we like to buy at the purple line, and it came close to it but didn't really touch it. So it's making higher lows here. No, this, okay, so this is higher than this one, but we'll just keep observing it to see if that's just how close, if that's just how close it can get to this line, or if the next pullback will get closer. We don't know, but we are just close to the trend line, and if we are using the trend line as a zone, it's close enough to it with this one, but we are just going to continue observing it to see. COR. So I will need to color COR because we purchased it. That arrow there is showing us that we purchased it. When we purchase a stocks, I like to color it so that we know that that one we already have it in the portfolio, we don't buy it again. And on the chart, I like to put arrows there, and the arrow facing up just show where we bought. The arrow on top facing down is just point at the bar that, and the day that we sold it. For instance, we bought this one in on November 27, and we sold it December 2nd, 3 days later. Okay, so this one, COR, this is the trend line we like to buy at. It pulled back to the trend line. We just wait to see higher lows. It made it here, but then made a lower low, and we just kept waiting, and we saw higher lows. Comparing, you see this green there, this pullback ended. So this low or pullback, we compare it to this one, is higher than this one, and this one we compare it to this one. And at the first green bar after this pullback, we purchase it. The next day it pulled back again, and yesterday the price went up. So we'll just keep observing it, and again is going to go through multiple swings. In my opinion, when the price is green, and then is red, that is a swing. It went up and went down, so that is a swing. Went up, went down, that is a swing. So we are going to go to multiple swings before we sell it. That's why I'm calling it position trading, not just one swing like what we did it last year. You see, we purchase and sell whenever possible on the same side of the swing. We purchase it and we sold it on the next day, and usually we have 3 days in our target, 3 consecutive days that the price was green after we purchase it, including that day we will sell or when our minimum target was reached, and we trade like that. But we are not going to do that this year. We are going to wait, and therefore we are going to go to multiple swings. That's why I'm calling it position trading, because position trading is going, in my definition, is going through multiple swings before we sell. When swing trading is perfect scenario is one swing, one side of the swing, buy and sell on one side of the swing, which can just be a few days at the best. Unless it turn around on you, then it might take you some weeks. So the next one is going to be cost. That's why instead of swing trading, I'm going to be talking about position trading this year, and alongside swing trading as well. I'll be talking about both terminology because I'm using swing trading strategy combine it with a long trend line. Therefore, I'm going to be waiting a while to buy, and I'm going to be waiting a while to sell. And while I'm waiting, the stocks on it is a daily chart. Every single buy is a daily fluctuation of the price. So while I'm waiting, the price is going to continue to fluctuate, and the fluctuation of the price is what creates the swing. So this cost is at the trend line we like to get in, but is making lower lows. We have a higher low here. Okay, this is higher than this, but I need to see a green bar before I can say that this pullback ended. This is 4 days pullback here. I need to see a green bar. If today is a green bar, today January 17 is a green bar, then this last pullback, this will be a last pullback. Yesterday price pullback will be the last one in this group, and that will be higher than this, but it's not a clear high here. Therefore, I would prefer next week to continue looking to have, a good higher low here before I can say that, is really stop going down, and then be prepared to buy at a first green bar or second green bar after a pullback. CRM. So CRM, we like to buy at this purple line, but right now is higher up. This trend line ended, but still higher up. CSL. CSL, we like to buy at this trend line, but right now it is far from it. Yesterday the price went up. The next one is DECK. DECK. So DECK, we like to buy at this trend line, but right now it seems to be following this trend line. It's still higher up. Yesterday the price went up. The next one is DOV. So DOV, we like to buy at this trend line, but right now it's following this trend line. And yeah, yesterday the price went up. We have a green bar. The next one is ECL. ECL, we like to buy at this trend line, but it's still, the price is still far from it. Yesterday the price went up. This trend line ended, but the price is still far from where we like to enter. The next one is EQIX. We like to buy at this trend line. Right now this trend line ended. Yesterday the price went up. We have a green bar there. Those three, we have them in our portfolio. The first among them is FAST. We purchased FAST in 2024 November. That trend line surely ended and the price went down. And right now, I don't know if that's how far it can come to this, or but it pulled back and start going up from there. The next one in the group is FI. So FI, we purchased it right there shortly after it reached a new high, and that trend line ended, and it moved to this trend line and has been on that trend line ever since, and it's still far from this trend line, but we already have it in our portfolio, so we will need to sell down before we buy. FICO is the last one of the three. We like to buy next this trend line, but right now we purchased it at this trend line here, and that trend line ended because after that we have lower lows. Yesterday was a pullback because of this red bar. But yeah, this concludes this part 2 of how to analyze stocks for swing trading using long up to long swing trading strategy, which is like position trading. So analyzing the stock, the chart for position trading, and we are going to have multiple videos so that we can make it short, and the link will be in the description. We have our terminologies. Last year we used short up to long swing trading strategy, where we buy and sell it on the same side of the swing, allocating a smaller dollar amount per trade and targeting smaller profits. But this year we are going to use long up to long swing trading strategy or position trading, because we are going to be waiting to buy at a long trend line, which usually is quite low. Therefore, we are going to wait a while to sell as well, while the stocks is going to multiple swings. Therefore, I like to call it position trading, because we'll go through multiple swings this time before we sell intentionally, not just because the price pulled back on us. We chose our trend line, we'll buy, and then we will sell when it reach a new high or our minimum profit is target. Because we know we are going to wait a while, we are allocating a higher dollar amount per trade, or 5% of your account value will be the way to calculate it, and targeting a higher profit as well. And this strategy will allow you not to buy often, not to sell often. Therefore, if you have a busy schedule, you'll be able to, to trade, to swing trade or position trade, and you won't have to, you will not have a lot of transactions to record on a daily basis, because you may not purchase every day. You may not, swing trade every day using the long up to long swing trading strategy. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much all for watching our videos. We thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. For how we choose our stock watch list for swing trading / position trading, will you please find those videos in our playlist titled swing trading. It's going to be that the playlist is going to be at the end of the video on the screen as well. And for all the chart analysis of today, January 17, 2025, the link to those videos will be in the description. And we talk more about our long up to long swing trading strategy in the part 1 of the video. Thank you.